Hello, my name is Leonardo Laya Suarez from the group 55, 10, 17, 19 of Phonetic and Phonology. This is my recording. First, reading. When you were born, you were not able to communicate with the adults around you by using language. But by the time you were 5 or 6, you were able to produce sentences, make jokes, ask questions, and so on. In short, you had become a fluent native speaker. During those first few years of your life, you accumulate a wide range of knowledge about at least one language, probably with very little conscious effort. If you studied a foreign language later on, it's likely that you discover that it was not nearly as easy. Second, minimal pairs. Sit, sit. Desk, disk. Wet, wait. Bed, bat. So, so. Not, note. Bad, bed. Fast, fierce. Desk, disk. Very, very. Buy, pie. Think, think. Alive, arrive. Catch, cat. See, she. Fan, ban. Fat, hat. Free, tree. Sink, think. Wit, wish. Page, pace. Bat, batch. Fast, pass. Came, game. To, do. Back, back. An. Hat, hat. 3. Intonation. I know. We laughed. It stopped. And it works. Time flies. Lina is my daughter. Peter doesn't live here. Lina wasn't invited. Bats are not fierce. She wants to buy a new car. She wrote a letter very quickly. The teacher told her students a story. Maria wants to buy a new car. My friends play tennis every Saturday. I think the first question is very easy. What is his name? Where does he live? When did you call him? Where have you been? What are you reading? When is your birthday? Do you visit them often? Have you seen them? Have you seen my keys? Are you ready to start? Could you give me a pen, please? Could you open the window, please? Would you mind helping me? Do you want coffee or tea? Does he speak English or German? Would you like coffee or tea? It's a beautiful town, isn't it? She knows him, doesn't he? Nice weather, isn't it? Stop it. Sit down. Close your books. Tell me the truth. Come in, please. Come here, please. Sit down, please. What a wonderful present. How beautiful her voice is. That's a lie. Peter, can you help me, please? Miss Smith, this is a Mary Brown. Ella, can you help me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She bought bread, cheese, orange, and apples. I saw Tom, Mary, Anne, and Victor. Certainly. Of course. You are welcome. Well, that's all. I hope I did it good. Thank you very much for your time.